What? Can you give her the
Can I what?
Your bag.
We're missing one.
Oh, my bag. My baggity bag. Oh, how cute.
Look.
And it's a magnet.
Oh, there it is.
What is it?
It's a splat fairy. You can put it on the inside of the thingy so it looks like...
Oh God, it's a naked splat fairy, Dad.
Christian, come here.
Christian, come play Hungry
There's
Hungry
like a
Hippo.
little suction cup.
Wait, hold on, wait. Let's play Hungry Hippo.
The suction cup is in there somewhere.
But it's a magnet, too.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
That's cute.
I'll be pink and orange.
Oh
How do we
God.
do this?
You just get all the balls in the middle.
1, 2, 3, go. Whee! That was
My daughter.
It's over there. Okay, now go.
My nipple's shaking.
Oh, Candy Hippo.
Ah!
Oh, I suck.
My pink's got 1.
This one's got like 70.
Right now.
Oh, I got a Zeppelin.
There you go, Nikki.
Okay.
Blow, baby, blow.
That one. So this one would be like.
She's like, I'm dying. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Now to close it, you have to like pinch it, you know.